It's gonna be a good day. Good morning, everybody. It's the day after Thanksgiving. It's Friday. It's our Friday video. Today, we're gonna go get some Christmas trees. Family tradition every Friday after Thanksgiving. We load the family up, load the chainsaw, possibly the dogs. Where is Gus? He's behind me here somewhere. Diesel's floating around here. The new puppy's floating around here. And we go up to that, right around that location of that mountain right there that I showed you at the beginning of the video. And we cut some Christmas trees. I'll show you what else we're taking today. We are going to be taking, sorry about the wind noise, I'm trying to block it with my hand here. My son's sled and my sled. Mom's sled is broken at the moment. But that's Max and Shorty. We call that one Max because it's a V-Max. And we call my SXR Shorty just because it was our first short track we ever owned. This isn't a Mountain Max, it's just a short track. What is that, a 135 or 138 instead of a 141? But yeah, that's my Yamaha triple. She fast. She really fast. I'll take you for a spin on her today, guys. This thing warmed up. Taking the V10. Let's try to burn all that fuel out of that tank today. She cold. She really cold. Heat panel. Sweet. Ice 33 this morning. Not horrible. It was out down to 22 last night, but alright guys. I'll catch you guys in a minute when we get on the road or something. Well, made it to Sisters, Oregon. We're heading up in the mountains out of Sisters. Trailer's pulling good. Fueled up both sleds. Excursion's pulling good. It's thirsty as hell, but she's pulling good. We'll catch you guys up on the hill here. It's a beautiful morning. There's no wind in Sisters at all, which is nice. It was pretty windy at the house. This town is known for its classic Western theme. It has to be Western style buildings in this town, which is pretty cool. All the storefronts are. There's a couple buildings that aren't, but like here's the food mart here. It's got the Western-y front look on it. If anybody's been through Sisters, Oregon, you know what I'm talking about. All right, guys. We are up and we're starting to get into some snow. But I don't know, not enough snow to go snowmobiling yet. Not even enough snow to lock the hubs in and hit the bitch switch. We'll keep chugging along here. Made it, pulled the trailer all the way up. Had to get into 4 low because 4 high was doing good in 4 high. Trans temp started to spike up. Got up to about 185 degrees on the gauge, and I was like, okay, time to make her work a little less. So I'm gonna get the snowmobiles unloaded. How peaceful. Guys, it doesn't get any more beautiful than this out here. I am the only one for miles. I'm by myself, which is kind of stupid. I took my son's sled. Everybody's back down about 3 miles at the trucks. I'm just up here. It's beautiful up here today. This is a nice little spot to ride. Look at this. This is fucking amazing. Excuse my French. All right, we're live. All right, guys, we're in my buddy's Dodge Mega Cab Custom Long Box. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. It got deep? It's icy. Oh, yeah. We found a Christmas tree, though, guys.
I might have to get a shovel. Or I could just air more tires down, too. But I think we'll hit the diff, too.
You think you hit the diff? Oh, yeah, definitely. Well, guys, this is why we stopped. We hit a rug. A big rug. I hope your truck's okay.
That's fine. It's just rubbing on the control arm, probably.
Yeah, it's on the control arm. Whoopsies. All right, guys, we're high centered on a log here, so.
Yeah,
So
good.
we aired down. We are hung up. We need a winch. Well, guys, we're stuck and we got to walk back to camp. It's about 1.5 miles, maybe 2. I can't remember, but nobody seems to know that we're missing, so this might be a long afternoon. This video might not get uploaded today.
Blazing by.
Okay. Well, we're walking, guys. We're taking the walk of shame. We didn't know that log was there, right, Jared? This was all packed down really nice from the sleds. Beautiful day up here. I'd say, what, 45 degrees? No wind. It's been this way all day. All right, guys. We'll see you when we get this thing unstuck.
Like, if I could sliver that, we'd just put that right in the tire right here and get that shovel.
We did her good, guys. She's a big one. It's about 2 foot diameter, is what we're thinking. We got the 180 saw. Oh, okay. All right, we got the Land Cruiser here with the winch.
Let me get an eye one.
We just dug the log way down here to show you how big. How big it was. Oh yeah.
I thought you were going to hook up to a tree. Why don't you hold that before you reel it up? Before you reel it in. Just before you reel it in, let me just try to go in that spot.
And if you guys are going to comment, well, why, that's a long box. Yeah, he custom built this long box. He serviced the frame and extended it out for a long box Dodge Mega Cab. Alrighty guys, everybody is loading up and we're heading out. We got the Dodge unstuck, we got our trees loaded, got the snowmobiles back on the trailer. Let's head on down the mountain to the house and finish this episode. I'm sorry it's gonna be a late night tonight when this comes out, but I told you guys I'm gonna put a video up every night this week, so here we go. That Dodge is, I'm not a Dodge fan, but that thing's pretty sick. We're just a shit show today.
Did you catch that on video?
Yeah, I got that whole thing on video. Oh, you're stuck! No, believe it or not, there's no damage. There's a little scuff in his rim, but see what showboating gets you? All right, let's get Joe out. All right, Joe said yank. Papa's gonna yank. This is gonna be a YouTube video for the record books. Yeah, that used to be my truck. That used to be my pickup. I bought it.
Backwards, Joe.
It used to be my pickup.
Oh, shut up, honey.
I drove that until I was so pregnant I couldn't shift anymore because my legs are so short.
And I sold it to Papa and we got the crew cab. Oh. All right, we're gonna go downhill.
Joe, we're really short crap, though. Get him moving a little bit.
Start moving your tires. We're just trying gentle right now. Get those wheels going, Joe.
He's going in forward first.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
There you go.
Jared, come forward again and give him a nudge. There you go. Now give him a love tap. Reverse and love tap. Reverse and love tap. Shake. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Drag him home. Drag him out in the middle. All right, got the Dodge out. Got the other Dodge going. You're not gonna hit the trailer this time? See you guys? I'll follow you. I'm good. I got the big tires. I ain't getting stuck. All right, guys, let's go to the shop and wrap this video up. is I'm going to do a little video editing in the excursion while my wife's driving home. So give this video a big thumbs up. Comments do go down below. We will be in the shop tomorrow with another video. I don't know what it's going to be yet. I've got a couple ideas, but this was a very, very good day today. Thanksgiving was awesome yesterday, and today has been just a marvelous day. So give this video, like I said, a thumbs up. Comments do go down below. Hit that subscribe. Papa is, oh, we got some problems going on. Oh, they're airing up tires. We're good. We're good. Nothing got damaged in the making of this video. The trailer's fine. Showboating doesn't get you anywhere. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you tomorrow in tomorrow's video.